To use Zoho Mail, with Windows 11 Mail app, we will have to follow the below steps. Okay, so, let's log into our Zoho Mail and navigate to Settings from the top right Settings icon. Now, go to Mail Accounts setting. Scroll down and you will see IMAP Access option. Check the checkbox and then save it. Now let's move on to second step. Open your account settings from the profile menu. And on Security tab, look for Application-Specific Password section. Now generate a new password for Windows 11 Mail app by giving it a name. The name could be anything. You might also need to enter your password for verification. Now let's log into our Mail app. Open Mail app and click on Accounts, and then again click Add Account. Click on Other Account option. Now, enter your Zoho email address. And on password, enter the application-specific password that we just generated. Wait till the mails are synced, and we are done. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.